Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by detuning each string until it's loose enough to remove. This relieves neck tension and prevents sudden shifts. Once a string is slack, unwind it from the tuning post and pull it through the bridge or tremolo block. Make sure to remove the old ball ends and set them aside if you'll reuse hardware. Use a string winder to speed the process and cutters to trim ends. This keeps your hands safer and prevents sharp ends from catching on clothing. Now feed each new string through the bridge or tremolo block so the ball end seats firmly. This ensures proper break angle across the saddle. Pull the string up to the tuner, leaving enough slack, about 2 to 3 inches for lower strings, slightly less for higher ones. Wind the string neatly so wraps coil downward on the post. This locks tension and stabilizes tuning. Once wound, check that the string passes cleanly over the nut slot and the saddle, preventing binding or buzzing. You finish by bringing each string up to pitch slowly so tension evens across the neck. Once tuned, firmly but gently pull each string along its length to pre-stretch it, then retune until stable. Make sure to trim excess string ends close to the tuner posts and tuck them away for safety. Finally, check intonation and action. If the tremolo shifted, rebalance spring tension in the cavity. If tuning slips, inspect nut slots and lubricate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.